Welcome everyone. In this video I am going to tell you about box model. 3 default properties of each and every element inside of HTML tag. So those 3 default properties are known as box model. So let me explain it with an example. Now we create a h1 tag. Inside of this h1 tag, welcome. So this is a structure of an element. Now this single element has 3 default properties. Those 3 default properties are known as padding, margin and border. So these 3 are all the default properties of a single element of HTML. So this h1 tag also has these 3 default properties. So we can also customize those properties and we can also view those properties. To view those properties, we should use our inspect panel inside of our web browser. So to view those 3 default properties of this single tag, we are going to switch our inspect panel, and inside of our inspect panel go and select this HTML element and switch to computed value. So see inside of this computed panel. So if you hover over this box, you can see something selected inside of our web browser. Now I hover the inner box, the HTML element welcome has been selected. So this welcome text is inside of the inner box. So that is after padding, border and margin. So all of this padding, border and margin values are numeric values only. We can customize those values also. To customize those values, we should use our CSS file. To link our CSS file with HTML file, we should use the link tag. Inside of this link tag href property, go on type // and main.css. So now we reload this. Nothing happened because we didn't create any CSS properties or CSS styles inside of this main.css. Now we are going to customize this welcome text. Now this welcome text is inside of this h1 tag. So to customize this welcome text, we should give the h1 tag name here, h1. We should first give the color property. I give it red. Now the color has been changed from black into red. This means our CSS file is working. So now we are going to customize this padding, border and margin. So first of all, to customize this padding, we have a property name as padding. See, we should give numeric values only at this place padding. I am going to give 20 pixels. And I run this. It has been moved from this place to this place. Means the padding has been added to our text. If you want to see the numeric value, you can see this place, the 20px. Because we have created 20 pixel padding at this place. If you hover the padding, you can view the padding size at the web browser. Now we are going to customize our border. To customize the border, there is also a property known as border. This border property itself has 3 values inside of this. First value is known as size, and the second value is known as style, and the third value is known as color. Means the border should have these 3 values inside of it. First we are going to give the size 20 pixels, style solid and the color red. Now I go and reload it. Border is now red color, and inside of this computed value you can visit the border is 20 pixels. You can inspect all of those sizes and all of those styles inside of this computed value also. And now we are going to customize our margin. To customize margin, there is also a margin property. Inside of this margin property, I am going to give 40 pixels. See, the 40 pixels has been added to our margin. Now if you hover the margin will be visible to you, and if you hover the border will be visible to you. If you hover the padding will be visible to you, and the last is content. If you hover the inside box, the content will also be visible to you. So this is the box model, and this is the way to customize those box model. Now I have to tell you another thing. There are 2 styles for border. The one is known as solid and the another one is known as dashed. Now I gave dashed at this place. Now you see the difference. This is the style of dashed, and I am going to give solid. Okay, this is the way to view those box model, and this is the way to customize the box model.